Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Welcome back po sa ating 365 daily devotion with Pastor Russell Ocampo. So, ang topic po natin for today, bakit si Jesus ang ating big brother? At meron tayong concept na Son of God. The title Son of God designated Jesus as the eternal divine Son who is equal in nature with the Father. Biblically, this title reveals his deity, his unique relationship with the Father, and his role in redemption. Unlike believers who are called children of God by adoption, Jesus is the Son by nature, sharing the same essence with the Father. In the Old Testament, the promised Messiah was called God's Son, fulfilled perfectly in Christ. This title safeguards both the full deity of God and his eternal sonship. To deny it is to undermine the gospel, for only the divine Son could accomplish salvation for sinners. At makita natin ito sa John chapter 1 verse 1 to 3. Ang sabi dito, in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. He was with God in the beginning. Through Him all things were made. Without Him nothing was made been. Sa Tagalog po, nang pasimulan ay naroon ang salita na kasama ang Diyos, at ang salita ay Diyos. Sa pasimula kasama na ng Diyos ang salita. Nilikha ang lahat ng bagay sa pamamagitan niya, at walang anumang nilikha na hindi sa pamamagitan niya. At ngayon naman po, share ko po yung mga natutunan ko sa naging topic natin for today. Simulan po natin sa teaching. First teaching, Jesus is the only one and only Son of God. So, si Jesus pala yung nag-iisa at una at isang anak ng ating Panginoon. Ngayon naman sa ating second teaching, Jesus is sacrificial and loving brother. So, si Jesus pala isa siyang masakripisyong kapatid at mapagmahal na kapatid. Ngayon naman sa third teaching natin, Jesus' blood secures our adoption into God's family. So, sinecure na pala ng dugo ni Jesus para mapabilang tayo sa pamilya ng ating Panginoon. At ngayon naman sa ating application na tayo, first application, show gratitude by loving like Christ. So, kailangan natin palang yung gratitude natin sa ibang tao, kailangan pala natin silang ipakita sa gaya ng pagmamahal ng Panginoon sa atin. At ngayon naman sa ating second application, sacrifice for Jesus by offering your best. So, magsakripisyo talaga ng pagsasakripisyo sa atin ni Jesus sa pamagitan ng gawin natin lahat ng best natin. Ngayon naman sa ating third application, share Christ without being ashamed. So, kailangan mo rin palang ikwento si Jesus sa buhay mo nang hindi ka nahihiya. Ngayon naman sa ating last part na discussion, to whom will you share the power of blood of Christ today? Sa akin, i-share ko siya sa family ko kasi sa family natin hindi tayo mahihirapan magsalita o mag-share ng mga bagay. At what have you learned from this devotion? So, natutunan ko sa devotion natin ngayon na kailangan natin mahalin si Jesus kagaya ng pagmamahal sa atin ng ating Panginoon. At ngayon naman sa second alternative question, what have you learned from this devotion? So, natutunan ko sa devotion natin ngayon na may apply ko sa devotion natin ngayon na kailangan natin magmahal kagaya ng pagmamahal ni Jesus sa atin. So, ayun lamang po for our today's discussion. Thank you for watching.